So welcome to the very interesting part of Facebook marketing. In this part, I will discuss with you various ad formats that you can use in Facebook advertising. So let us start to understand the various ad formats which we usually come across when we are on Facebook. When we are on Facebook, we come across various types of ads. Before we launch any Facebook ad campaign, it is very important to understand various formats of ads that we come across while on Facebook. All Facebook ad formats can be classified into 5 major types, and these types are traffic and leads for your website, sales and leads for your product or service, likes and engagement for your page, mobile and desktop app installs, and finally, visitor for your store or event. Let us discuss these types one by one. First, we have link click ads. This is the most common format of ad on Facebook, and you usually view it in the right column desktop and mobile news feed. This type of ad is very useful to promote the external websites or blogs. A user will click on your ad and she will land on your website or a post. This is an example of link click ad, and sometimes these ads will appear in the right side column as well. Video ads. Video ads are another type of link ads. As the name suggests, the advertising message is conveyed through the video ads. These ads are usually visible in desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, audience network, and Instagram. The size of video may up to 4 GB and length may be up to 120 minutes. However, video ads are usually made up to 15 to 20 seconds. For these type of ads, continuous loop is available. Look at this example. Next, we have boosted page post. There is an option to create a Facebook page independently in the Facebook. You can promote your brand or product through this post. Every time you upload a post, Facebook offers you to promote the post through Boost Page Post. You have to just click the Boost Post and the promotion related option will appear. This is an example of Boost Post ads. How to create the Facebook page, I will explain in the subsequent modules. Next, we have the carousel ads. Carousel ad format is available for Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network, and allow you to showcase up to 10 images or videos within a single ad, each with its own link. With more creative space within an ad, you can highlight different products, showcase specific details about one product, service or promotion, or tell a story about your brand that develops across each carousel card. Look at this example of carousel ad. Dynamic product ads, or called DPA ads. These ads are remarketing ads. Ads are shown to the audience on the basis of past actions like visit to the website or apps. For this purpose, Facebook Pixel will be used. We have one module on Facebook Pixel and we will learn how to use it. These ads are visible to be shown on desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, right column, audience network, and Instagram. Facebook lead ads. As the name suggests, lead ads are excellent way to secure the leads through lead ads. It allows the user to download the content or sign up for the offer without exiting from the Facebook platform. This type of ad will quickly help you to collect email and mobile numbers of your users. Such ads are eligible to be shown on desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, audience network, and Instagram. Here is an example of Facebook lead ad. Canvas ads. These types of ads are only visible in mobile phone newsfeed. Canvas is an interactive ad that lets the user engage with your content on Facebook. The format of Canvas ad is such that a user can swipe through the carousel of the images, tilt the images in different directions, and zoom in or zoom out by moving their fingertips. We will soon see how to design the Canvas ads. Collection ads. Collection ads are again eligible ads for mobile newsfeed. This type of ad is useful for showcase of multiple products in a single ad. Through this type of ad, people can discover, search, and purchase the product from your website. Page-like ads. As I said, we can create Facebook page for our business or community. So, if we want to increase the likes of our page, then this type of ad is suitable. These types of ads can be displayed in right column, desktop newsfeed, and mobile newsfeed. In such type of ad, it is very important to target the right audience, as getting blind likes will not serve any purpose. Page post photo ads. This type of ad is used to promote the images of your page. You can increase the Facebook page audience by floating the interesting images. Your audience can like it, share it, and comment on the image. It is eligible to appear in the right column, desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed. Next we have the page post video ads. This is similar to the page post photo ads. You can upload any video to the page and start campaign to promote this video by targeting the right audience. The format of this page post video ad is same that we discussed in the video ads, and you can show these ads in the right column, desktop newsfeed, and mobile newsfeed. Page post text. It is very interesting. Can we promote the text post? Absolutely yes. You can use the page post text ads for this purpose. But when we have a post image ad, why not to use these ads to have the more interactivity and engagement? Mobile app. Mobile app ads are more suitable for installation of mobile apps. These types of ads offer very high rate of conversions. A user can use an install call to action to install the app of the promoted ads. It is self-understood that such type of ads are only visible on mobile newsfeed. Next we have desktop app ads. Desktop apps? Yes, there are many Facebook desktop apps available. If you have designed any Facebook app using the Facebook developers platform, then you can promote such type of ads via desktop app ads. As desktop apps are not supported by mobile phones, so desktop app ads will be visible only in desktop newsfeed. Event ads. You can create your events on Facebook to attract more audience to the events. If you want to boost the reach of your event, use this ad unit to target the right audience. Offer claims. Is there any chance for brick and mortar stores to promote on Facebook? Yes, it is there. By using offer claim ads, you can do it. Once your offer ad is live, any user who clicks on your ad and redeem the offer will receive an email containing the details and terms of use. Local awareness ads. Local awareness ads are useful to draw the attention to the store. This type of ad works best with the Facebook's location-based targeting, helping you to reach out to the people who are currently near your store. Call to action used in such ads is more suitable for offline businesses like call now and send message. Messenger ads. Facebook has its own messenger services. Messenger ads appear in the main tab of the Facebook Messenger, where people spend time in chatting with the friends. A user will see your ad in the inbox amongst their conversations and can click to initiate a Facebook conversation with your page. So this was the demonstration of various ad formats that you can use at the time of designing of Facebook advertising campaigns. I will practically show you how to design these ads. Just wait for that. Lastly, I hope you must have created your Facebook ID as we need it to learn or understand the process of Facebook marketing. If you haven't created it, just create it before we begin with the next module.